Building your network as a CBAP analyst. Provide career opportunities. Employers often prefer hiring through referrals. A strong network boosts your chances of being considered for new roles or projects. Boost learning and growth. Networking lets you share ideas and stay current on trends. It helps you learn about new tools and techniques. Leverage professional associations. A great starting point for CBAP analysts is to join professional groups, like the IBA. As the body behind the CBAP certification, IBA provides numerous networking opportunities, including local chapters. Attend your local IBA chapters meetings to meet like-minded professionals. Conferences. Participate in global or regional IBA conferences. These events often feature industry leaders and offer workshops, panels, and networking sessions. Utilize social media and online platforms. The digital era offers immense networking potential. Use platforms like LinkedIn to build and maintain your professional connections. Optimize your profile. Your LinkedIn must show your CBAP certification, skills, and achievements. Use keywords relevant to business analysis to make your profile discoverable. Join relevant groups. Join LinkedIn groups for business analysis and project management. Share your insights, ask questions, and engage with other members. Build relationships within your organization. Your current workplace is an excellent starting point for networking. Build strong relationships with colleagues across departments. Collaborate on cross-functional projects. Work with teams like IT, marketing, and finance. It will help you understand different views and build respect. Attend internal events, join company workshops and team-building activities. They will help you connect with colleagues outside your team. Measuring impact. Quantifying sustainability outcomes can be difficult. Solution: use standard metrics, like the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, to measure and report impact. Measure your networking success. Reflect on the effectiveness of your networking efforts by asking yourself, have you built new professional relationships? Are you gaining insights or opportunities through your network? Are you adding value to others in your network? Conclusion. In conclusion, as a CBAP-certified analyst, building and maintaining a network is a continuous journey. You can build a network that boosts your career. It will position you as a leader in business analysis.